Today we are in a lovely residential cul-de-sac in Blackbrook called Arun Grove. It's one of the coolest two-bedroom properties I've had the pleasure to market. You're about to see why. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, so one of the coolest two-bedroom properties I've ever had the pleasure to market. Hopefully you agree. If you'd like to come and view this property, please do get in contact. Or if you'd like me to value your home, then that'd be great too. Speak to you soon. Thanks so much.